Since its introduction, Chartek has become the #1 epoxy passive fire protection technology used in the oil and gas industry.
Chartek is recognised as the leader. It's really as simple as that. It's been around for a long time. Fireproofing on the intumescent side of the business is synonymous with the Chartek brand.
The history of Chartek began in the 1970s when extensive research into thermal protection systems for NASA's Apollo space program led to the development of Chartek, the world's first epoxy intumescent coating. Throughout the 1970s and 80s, Chartek continued to set the bar for intumescent coatings technology, developing cutting-edge products and delivering comprehensive applicator approval programs. In 1988, the oil and gas industry was shaken by the catastrophic fire on board the Piper Alpha platform in the North Sea. This tragic event demonstrated the need for passive fire protection products which provided jet fire resistance and long-term in-field performance. Chartek 7 was specifically designed to perform in jet fire scenarios while offering long-term corrosion protection, maximising the life of oil and gas assets.
저희 현대중공업에서는 대략 10년 전부터 차텍 제품을 사용해오고 있습니다. 제가 현재 근무하고 있는 해양사업부에서는 FPSO, 픽스드 플랫폼, 그리고 또 탑사이드 구조물 등의 차텍 제품을 사용하고 있습니다.
Easy to install, lightweight and flexible, HK1 carbon fibre mesh provides reinforcement to the char formed during jet fire exposure. Capable of delivering the lowest applied weight of any fire protection material on the market, Chartek 7 continues to be the first choice for offshore jet fire protection.
우선 한국뿐만 아니라 다른 나라에서도 많은 트랙 레코드를 가지고 있어서 고객들이 우선 신뢰할 수 있는 제품이라고 생각하는 것 같습니다. 그리고 초기 프로젝트 때부터 엔지니어링사와 오너와의 기술적 협조가 잘 되기 때문에 차텍을 많이 선호하는 것 같습니다.
To ensure consistent performance, all Chartek products are manufactured to the same exacting standards throughout the world, no matter what the location. With full compliance to the NORSOC M501 corrosion standard, without the need for top coat protection, and approved to the internationally recognised ISO 22899 Jetfire standard, Chartek 7 is the most extensively tested epoxy passive fire protection product on the market. In 1999, Chartek joined AkzoNobel, the world's largest coatings company, setting the scene for increased investment. This allowed Chartek to further develop its product offer for the onshore oil and gas market. Building on a reputation for long-term fire and corrosion protection, Chartek 1709 was specifically developed to provide optimum performance against the UL 1709 onshore fire test standard. Offering superior performance for hydrocarbon pool fires, reduced mesh requirements and lower loadings, Chartek 1709 greatly reduces installed costs.
Chartek products tend to have lower loadings, which is the thicknesses, than other products. So it's a quicker product to apply and also it's more economical.
Durable and lightweight, Chartek 1709 allows off-site application, providing flexibility in build schedules for structural engineers and construction managers. In 2004, International's lab in Felling, northeast England, further expanded its furnace capacity. This ongoing investment into the passive fire protection market led to the introduction of Chartek 8. Specifically designed for hydrocarbon pool fires in offshore environments, with improved performance for divisions, Chartek 8 has no mesh requirements for up to 1 hour and allows applied thicknesses to be minimised, aiding constructability while still providing long-term fire and corrosion protection. In 2008, International recognised the need for greater research into solutions for the fast-growing LNG market. Testing showed that by using International's Intertherm's 7050 spray insulation, with Chartek as a duplex system, it was possible to provide fire protection and mitigate against the dangers of cryogenic spill, which can result in steel embrittlement. Working in these areas, it became apparent that oil and gas customers had an increasing need for complete fire engineering solutions, which assessed and computer modelled the particular requirements of ever more complex projects. In response to this, International formed its fire engineering team, a group dedicated to overcoming fire protection problems faced by its customers. Fire protection was also incorporated into Interplan, a tool which provides a predictive assessment of when in-situ fire protection systems need to be refurbished. 2011 sees International making massive investment in its passive fire protection R&D capability. The opening of a €7 million fire protection lab at the UK Felling site demonstrates International's commitment to the passive fire protection market. With 5 furnaces capable of carrying out a range of loaded and unloaded tests, dedicated application areas and state-of-the-art R&D labs, the new facility will support further development of International's complete fire engineering approach, delivering services and products tested to meet the high standards the industry expects. With unrivaled heritage, facilities, and most importantly, people, Chartek continues to lead the market towards safer, more efficient fireproofing solutions.